Alright guys, soon you're going to be able to buy Homak brand toolboxes through redlinestands.com. So let's have a look at some of their boxes here. Just have a look at the construction and everything of these boxes. Steel drawers. Oh, this one here has got a locker over on the side. Let's open it up, have a look at it. Here's the back side of the door. Magnetic latch. Locking latch. This one's actually got extra drawers down here in the bottom. You can see that the shelves are adjustable in their height. That's nice. Let's go ahead and close this up. Gas struts in your overhead cover. This one's equipped with a additional side box. Let's have a look at a couple more of these toolboxes. Stainless steel countertop over here. Let's have a look at the drawers on this one. Have a look at a couple more of their toolboxes. Why not? Another nice toolbox over here. Let's have a look at this locker. Very similar to the first one we looked at. You can see Homak's got all kinds of toolboxes, all kinds of colors. You can see these units soon on our website, redlinestands.com.